Continuing in the Fabringen of Shavuos, this revelation and this hamshacha that we are getting on this 50th day, it's coming Mamayla Lamata, from above down to below, after our avodah of the first 49 days. This revelation, this hamshach that's coming down on this 50th day, is not limited and not mugbal into the time. Therefore, like we said earlier, just one day is equivalent to the entire year because it's not limited to the time. And the Rebbe brings over here two examples. On one hand, the two examples is as follows. The first second of the creation of the world, on one hand, is higher than Zman, higher than time. On the other hand, it's not time, even in the time it is. Why? Because the idea of something limited into time has to be past, present, and future. But because over here, the first second of the creation of the world, there was no past. Therefore, on one hand, it's higher than time. On the other hand, even in the time, it's not really a time. So too, when it comes to a corner of something connects two things together, but the actual corner itself, on one hand, is higher than space because that actual corner doesn't take up space. On the other hand, this is what actually goes and connects them. So it's higher than place. At the same time, it's not actually actually goes and takes up place into the actual thing itself. And this is what we can understand a little bit as to the three crowns that we are getting at the time of Shavuos. That this third crown, the term that is used is Shenota La'atzmai, that Hashem took this crown for himself. And what did he do with it? He gave it to the Neshamas Yisrael. He gave it to the Neshamas, to us Yidden. Now, we cannot say that it's being given to the people, to the Neshamas, to us Yidden, in a way that we are a Mitzvah. So rather in a way that we become elevated to the Atzmai, to the Eibishter, the way how he is fully in himself, which is the term of Atzmos. Now, even to get to this third crown, there was another two crowns, and that was the Nasa in Nishma, and through that we became completely bottled to Hashem. Why is that? Because the third crown is higher than our limitation. It's, in other words, it's higher than Agbalas Zman. It's not something that we could 100% get to. And this is the whole idea, that on one hand, we have all these 49 days of preparation, which lead us to the 50th. At the same time, the actual 50th is not given to us in a way that we can, that it's tangible necessarily for us. It's coming from above, from the Eibishter.